Hey guys, Rich Bassine here, YouTube vlog creator. For you iPhone users out there that like to make videos with your iPhone, I came across this pretty cool app for the iPhones, and it's called Blackmagic Camera. And I'm going to show you how to get it and download it on your iPhone. If you use an iOS 17, you're good to go. So without further ado, let's go right to the App Store, and we're going to click over here. And in here, we're going to type Blackmagic Camera. It's already set it in my phone here. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to look for this one here. It says Blackmagic Camera. I'm going to, being already downloaded, I'm just going to have to hit the open feature on it, and it's already there. All right. I'm not going to go through all the bells and whistles with you guys. I have two windows I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to drop the links below for you to try it out at your own leisure. But here it is. Okay. It takes nice videos, and it's got a lot of good bells. It's got a lot of nice bells and whistles, I should say, with it. And if you look up here, well, you can't see, but when I click over here, you see the highlight. You're going to see a highlight there. Each time you hit the highlight on the lower part, right above the record screen, you're going to see it's going to say front, 65 millimeter, 26, and 13. Each time you click on the top, you're going to see different windows pop up, and they're going to have different functionality to it. Okay, but again, you guys could play with this at your own leisure. Okay, you do this here, and you can see what it does. It darkens it up. Okay, like that. It's really not. It's really a great application for people who like to make videos with their iPhones. Okay, and you got this here. Now, I did suppress the volume control here, as you can see here, where my mouse cursor is moving right over here. I minimized, I actually stifled it because I was getting feedback. So every time I did a video, I kept hearing like an echo, all right? So I had to suppress it there, and I'll show you how to turn that back on. We're going to go through settings. But let's keep going to the top over here. Okay, you got WB, I guess the white balance, I should say. And again, you could play around with that there. You got auto, and then you got the manual. If you do the manual, you could do it this way here. As you can see, the color changes a little, whatever, see? All right, so that's the white balance. If you keep it on auto, I'm going to click it on auto, as you can see there, and that's what it looks like. And then the last one over here, you got this one here, all right? TNT, okay, see, I got glasses. The print is kind of small, but anyway, again, everything has a different functionality. And if you go with this here, again, you can see it. I guess that's, it's tint. I guess it's the tint on it. Yeah, okay. Like I said, folks, there's a lot of stuff to learn with this here, but once you get the, get the knack of it, and you get it down, you're gonna really enjoy this here. Okay, you can always hit auto on there, let the auto do it, and then you're gonna have different features again over here. Let's go into the top. Here you could do the front, and again, if you mix, you could do it over here. The 16 this is the 26 millimeter, this is the 13 millimeter, and that's how it looks like that there. Okay, this is basically my setup here where I got your attention. These are the Elgato Stream Decks, but I know you didn't come here to see my setup, but that's what I got going on right now. All right, so yeah, let me go into settings, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Now, settings, there's a lot going on with the settings, okay? There's a lot of stuff here to look at here. You could do all this at your own leisure. You got the codec, resolution, camera space, and so on and so forth. Enable vertical video. Use the volume for button for triggering the record. Over here, you got the shutter measurement, and so on and so forth. Now, over here, where it says audio, I put it none right now, because if you do it, you're going to go over here, and then when you click it on, you can see it working, but it's also going to be echoed. That's why I took it off. You can't use that when you're doing a video. So let's go back to that again, and let's just hit none, I should say, and that'll suppress that part there. Okay, then you got lens correction, flicker free, shutter. You guys could do, there's a lot here to make all your final adjustments where it's going to work for you. Okay, look at this here. All right, now if you're a person that don't like all those little signs there on your window there, the record window, you could just disable all that stuff. They hide the remote control camera video feed. Then you could dim the remote camera feed. What else they got over here? Oh my gosh, you could use you should always keep the Bluetooth on here. Nucleus wireless lens control. I don't have any of that there. Then you got the LUT selection, display LUT. If you click that on, it's going to display the LUTs on here. Like that there. I'll actually That's not going to work on this camera, I guess. Whatever. What else I got over here? Auto upload. Upload clips. Yeah, like here, display battery indicator. If you click this off, you click up the upload, display upload status. All those there will come off the face, the front face here. If you don't choose to like, if you don't want those for whatever reason. Okay. All right. Anyway, that's what we got going on here. All right. And as you can see here, it's pretty good. And when you record it, it records great. I have no complaints with this whatsoever. So, all right, here's what it is over here, Blackmagic camera. Again, I will drop the links for this below here. If we scroll down here, just do a little mouse scroll here. You're going to see it says screenshots for iPhone and iPad. And it'll give you a little introduction to the digital film for iPhone and iPad. It'll tell you what's new. Here's your ratings and reviews. Okay, your app privacy, data not collected, and so on. Here's the information that you guys may be interested in. Okay, and the price is free, as you can see here. All right, and it says over here, for iPhone requires iOS 17 or later, and a device with an A12 Bionic chip or later. And the same thing pretty much applies to the iPad as well. And then it goes over here, it's got Apple Vision, requires Vision OS 1.0 and later device with this A12 Bionic chip or later, and so on and so forth. All right, so it's and the size of it, just in case if you're worrying about storage on your iPhone, whatever, it's 92.7 megabytes, and the languages like you can see here: English, French, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese, simplified Chinese, and Spanish. And age rating at 4+. Okay, now the other one I take it to is let me just hit this button over here, and we're gonna go to this one here. This one here has got a lot of stuff. It's got a lot of reading in here. I'm just going to move myself over here, and I'm going to scroll fast. Like I said, folks, don't worry if I pass things up here. I will drop the links to this below. Okay, I'm just going to do a mouse scroll here, and as you can see, this is all about Blackmagic camera. And let's get going here with this here. All right, I'm going to try to keep this going a little quicker than usual. So again, you could read all this here. All right, there's quite a bit here to look at. So I'm going to keep this going a little quick here, and if you guys check it out and you like it and you're making some nice videos with it and you want to drop a comment below, I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. It's pretty cool. I like it. I use this pretty much exclusively when I do make my videos. I have a lot to learn with it. You got to get used to it. As anything else, right? Practice makes perfect. But once you get started with it and you start working with it, I think you guys are going to like it. There are other application, we should say apps out there that you can probably use in making videos. I know with the iPhone, it's got its own camera, feature as well. But this here has a little more to it. I don't know. I really like it a lot. I mean, like I said, I used it recently. Last weekend, there was a wedding, and I took some videos with it. And I love the way it came out, All right. If you like this video and my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated, so when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.